Next, we're going to have a look at the auto captions function. So the way that we're going to use this one, we're going to go to our third option in the toolbar below. So the toolbar I'm moving around at the moment. I'm going to press on text, so third across. I'm going to go three more across to auto captions, which is the A with the square brackets around it. Click on that. Now it's going to give you a couple of options here. It's automatically going to get your sound source from your video, which we're going to leave as is, as we're working with video. We've got our animation type, so this is the way that the captions will appear on the video. This is a little more powerful than what you see in the desktop CapCut version. So lots of options here. I'm just going to go with the free version. And then there's two pro options at the bottom, which we don't need for basic editing at this stage. So I'm going to press start. That's going to start generating my captions for me. And almost done. Excellent. So if I play this video now, you'll see that the captions will start to appear down the bottom. Now, my captions are already highlighted in yellow because I've got them set that way because I knew I had a white shirt on. If I'm not happy with that color or I want to adjust that color, what I need to do is click on my captions in that very light brown color, and I highlight it, and then I can look at the option. Once I've pressed that, see how it switches between, when I switch between video and captions, it gives me different options in the toolbar below. So I've got speed as my second option for the video, but in my captions button, I've got style. I'm going to press on style. This is where I can adjust the coloring of and the different animation styles of my captions after I've already generated them. So I'm going to pick, maybe I want to pick a blue here, but I can also change the color down the bottom. So I can make it blue with a red in the middle. Doesn't look great, so I'm just going to go back to the original, or if I just want to start again, I can just press a new color or a new text style and it'll come through. I'm happy with the yellow with the black outline. So what I need to do is press the tick button. And then from there, my captions have been generated, which I'm very happy with. So if I'm not happy with those though, I can perform the exercise again. And I can go press auto captions, and you'll see that if I start it again with a new style, it'll clear the current subtitles. So that's just something to keep in mind. If I want to actually edit the words within the subtitles, maybe I've made a mistake or my accent's not come across properly, then what I need to do is look for those mistakes. So say I'm not happy with this one that I'm looking at the moment. So I was working in finance. I can click on the captions, and you'll see in the box there's a little square X up in the top left hand corner that can delete it. I can make it bigger with the bottom right hand corner by holding that down and pulling away to the corner of the screen, or I can press the little pencil button in the top right hand corner. Let's get that back, and I can click into the text here and actually adjust the words. So I might change was working in or finance, and I can delete that out, or I can add it back in, and I can press tick. And that's really the basics of auto captions and getting that completed.